I dream of a future where we thrive, a future where longevity is the living reality. I dream of a space where health is effortless, where right habits are engraved in the system and not just goals. I dream of a society that believes in growing together, where children are taught to correlate and share, not compare. I dream of a world where humanity and compassion are the moving force, where people talk about ideas and inventions, not wars. I dream of oneness, where both femininity and masculinity are embraced. I dream of seeing this transformation with my own eyes. I dream to no longer dream, but to live as the dream.